Hey, I'm Melody.
And I'm Brie, and we're Melody and Brie Boutique. In today's video, we're going to show you some summer back-to-school looks.
We'll be showing you 3 looks each.
Many of you might be wondering why we're posting a back-to-school video this time of year, but in New Zealand we have our summer break over Christmas time, then we start a new school year at the start of the new year.
If you didn't already know, Brie and I go to 2 different schools, and at Brie's school she has uniform, whereas I don't. My school is very chillaxed about dress code, so Brie and I will try to stick to the classic dress code rules.
Now before we get into this video, make sure to like, subscribe and comment below whether you have a uniform or not. We're really curious to see who has one and who doesn't.
Strikes by my window, hits my chest right in the morning, like a warning. Could have slept here for days. I felt your heartbeat, felt your mouth breathe, but it's not real. We were close to see the sun, but clouds got in our way, and so
Thank you so much for watching. We hope you got some inspiration, whether or not that was for back to school or summer.
If you were enjoying our back to school videos, comment down below so we know to make more of them. And check out our back to school playlist, which will be linked in the description. See you next time on Melody and Brie Boutique.